almost like a souffle. Fish Amok, Cambodia's national dish, Khmer cuisine. I said that right. Khmer refers to both the language and the ethnicity of the people in Cambodia. This includes referring to traditional culture, arts, cuisine. The ancient Khmer traditions and culture date back from the ruling Khmer Empire back in the 9th to 15th century before colonization. Fish amok is said to be one of the original dishes dating back to the Khmer Empire that was served to royals. So I figure this is the perfect dish, fit for a princess. Time for the next adventure. Let's go. I'm here in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and I'm not sure if you know, but it's actually a little bit famous. It's home of the largest temple in the whole world, the Angkor Wat, and it's actually where Tomb Raider was filmed. Angkor Wat is the 8th wonder of the world, but today we're on a different mission. Today's mission is to taste a little bit of Khmer royal history with some fish amok. This ancient dish is known as a steamed fish curry. Today I'm going to Sugar Palm, and the origins of this restaurant are a little bit bittersweet. It's an attempt to preserve some of the owner's family's traditional recipes passed down from generations. Cambodia as a country has not had it the most easiest to preserve its traditions, even as recent times as the 1970s. At that time, there was a communist party, the Khmer Rouge, who took over and killed a quarter of the Cambodian population. With that, almost all of the Khmer tradition was being eradicated, so it was very close to all of the arts, culture, tradition, cuisine being lost. So the fact that Cambodia was able to preserve some of this is quite wonderful. Even Chef Gordon Ramsay has been to this restaurant. Check it out.
I'm on my way to meet Katana, who's got one of the best restaurants in town.
My mum and my grandmother recipe, try to revise the old cooking style.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Take me back to 1975. What actually happened to the food in the war?
So people trying to stay to survive, so they could get whatever they could get around them from the jungle or from anywhere they could find, and they just had to cook anything.
So Katana is reviving traditional, authentic Cambodian recipes.
Now, after learning all of this, I'm extra excited to be able to have the opportunity to check out this restaurant, to try fish amok and dine like the ancient Khmer Empire royalty. I was like hovering outside. He said I can come in. I think it's not open, but... Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm the first one here because it doesn't even open for another half hour, so it was really nice of them to invite me in early. With the place all to myself like this, it definitely feels like I'm getting the royal treatment. God, privacy. I'm gonna get the fish amok. Yeah. It takes 40 minutes. I think maybe I'll add a little sugar. It's like lemonade. Yes, maybe I'll get the spring rolls too while I'm waiting. Yeah. Awesome, thank you. So I figure get a little snack before. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Oh, hot. Thank you. Beautiful, thank you. Thank you. And the long-awaited fish amok has arrived. 40 minutes later, it takes that long to steam it because it's made with love. And it's cooked in this banana leaf. So let's dig in. How do I do this? So it's like really kind of like totally like almost like a souffle. think I'm supposed to eat it with the rice, I'm assuming. Put it on here. Let's see. Okay. Oh. It smells really nice. Mmm. It's like a moussey texture. Mmm. Super flavorful. Mm. Lemongrass, I think cumin, lemongrass and cumin I think are the main flavors. I don't know how I'm supposed to get this. Oh, just a little, that's good. I don't know. And then there's little pieces of fish in there as well. This looks like kind of a mix of maybe white and red rice. It's really, really rich, light and fluffy. Oh. Whoa. The fish really absorbs the flavor. It's yummy. I read that Gordon Ramsay said that this is like the best fish amok in Cambodia. The fish is really, really tasty. It just absorbs all the flavor. There's some veggie at the bottom. I don't know if this is just the banana leaf broke at the bottom from steaming, but I'm gonna eat it. It's not spicy at all. It's like a mild kind of sweet flavor. I think this is a little spicier. I think this might be river fish. I wonder if it's from the river just over there, because we're on the riverside. Yeah, I find Cambodian food not spicy at all. But it's funny because the food in Thailand is like crazy spicy. This also has some egg in it, which I guess is what gives it that like moussey, fluffy souffle flavor, or texture I should say. I'm actually getting pretty full already because I had too many spring rolls. I'm not sure if these green parts are the actual banana leaves, like that steamed cooked, or if it was vegetables that were added to it. I guess you're not supposed to eat this though, right? I'm so full. I hope you enjoyed that little piece of Khmer royal history. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.